Alright, YouTube fans, welcome to the second part of my M16 retro build. We finally got it finished, and look at that. You can see how the fiberglass, original fiberglass buttstock has been worn off and given that mottled look. And there is a color difference between the Ruger lower and the Colt upper, but I'm okay with that. As you can see, it's got clear markings. There is a little rust on the dust cover, but that's because that was made out of steel and not aluminum like the rest of the gun. The fore end is absolutely beautiful. You can see how it's got the original ring on it. All the teeth are present. It's got the C in the bell on the front sight tower. I had to have the barrel turned down because Delton's barrels are not quite the right size. On the other side, there's some green paint left over from what used to be probably stenciled numbers, maybe a soldier's serial number, whatever from boot camp. Like I said, the most expensive part of this build was getting that barrel fit, getting the front sight tower put on it. The Delton barrel had one on there, but I really wanted the original Colt on there, so I had the barrel turned down by a gunsmith and had the front sight tower installed. He ended up disassembling the whole top for me, which was totally awesome. I can't thank him enough. The sights on it are great. They shoot straight. The gun just has rapidly become one of my favorite guns I own. To be honest with you, I've never been a fan of the AR-15 platform, but this is a little different as it was genuine Colt product and it shoots like a dream. Now this next thing I wanted to show you is a U.S. Army 22 conversion kit that I picked up years ago. And let me tell you what, through this M16A1, it shoots amazing. I literally split cards with it. It's built a lot more robust than the modern CMMG kit, although there's nothing wrong with that. It works fine. One of the best things about this is that it's just really robust, so I never have to worry about breaking it. There are some things about the CMMG kit that I'm not a big fan of. How sturdy it's made is one of those things, unfortunately. Now the magazines for the U.S. Army kit were really trick. They actually fit inside a standard M16/AR-15 magazine and converted over to 22 long rifle. Now they're only 10 round magazines, but you got to remember they're only for training. Now there is a company out there that does make a custom magazine that shoots 25 rounds that works with this kit. The CMMG kit and the Army kit I do not believe have compatible magazine differences. Here's a video of me shooting the kit. Cherry on top is the Mattel stamp. Don't hate me, I thought it was funny.